Today we're making super easy gluten-free and vegan tarts. You can fill them with anything. I'll show you how to bake them step by step, even if you are a beginner. I'll share some filling ideas, vegan custard cream, fruit jelly, or simple, fresh or frozen fruit. This recipe is perfect for a quick dessert, for Valentine's Day, or simply to surprise family and friends. There is no easier dough than this one. Simply weigh out the ingredients, combine them in a bowl to form a dough, and chill until firm. Then shape the tarts as I'll demonstrate in this video. If you like my recipe, I'll be very happy if you leave a comment, a like, and feel free to share my video on social media. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. Thank you! If you want to learn more about gluten-free and vegan baking, click right here for one of my other recipes. All my recipes are gluten-free, vegan, refined sugar-free, corn-free and soy-free.